Hello students, this is English Shorthand 100 words per minute dictation. Passage A, ready for dictation. It is nearly true to say that the prosperity of any nation depends upon the amount of energy at its disposal. We shall need much more energy to maintain and advance our prosperity in the next few decades than we can easily get from coal. For the world as a whole, nuclear power has come at the right time. For India, it has only just arrived in time. Our recent achievements in the building of the first atomic power station for peaceful purpose should encourage us to make an even greater effort. It would appear that there are three main ways in which this effort can be directed. Para. In the first place, it is more important that we should produce more scientists and engineers. We have already begun to expand the capacity of our universities, colleges of technology, and technical schools to meet this need, but it is only a beginning. Secondly, we must have better use of those scientists we have. Thirdly, we must educate our leaders of industry. They must have and listen to scientists' advice. They must be at the aware of the factors which are changing the world and conflicting with old thoughts and ideas. Para. To attain those three objectives, there is much that individuals as well as the government must do. Those boys and girls whose definite ability and interest in science have already led them towards a scientific or engineering career have not only to give off their scientific best but must widen their outlook to include the social implications of their scientific work. Over and above all that has been said, the advance of technology is not a social end in itself. It is rather a means of an end, which is full and better life for all. The world in which our children and grandchildren will live depends on our efforts now and on the legacy of material power as well as technical knowledge that is taught to them. The houses they will live in, the clothes they will wear, the health they will enjoy, the leisure in which they will be able to cultivate and appreciate the valuable and beautiful things of life. In fact, to pursue the art of life, each according to his own taste will depend on our material command over nature and especially on the amount of energy which we can extract from the natural world. Thank you, student. You can take this repetitively to gain the accuracy. Thank you very much. Keep practicing. All the best.